What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over BPTH. This thing has been a monster today, currently up 172%. Alright guys, so let's jump right on into it. BPTH was a monster today. I missed the entire morning move, well, at least the early morning. I didn't get on my platform until 10:45 a.m. And at that time, I was eyeing some potential entries, but I really wanted it to pull back closer to $8, maybe around $8.20, right around this area here. But it just didn't give it to me. It just kept pushing and pushing and pushing. I only took one trade on it, small scalp. Where is it? Right here. In at 10.13, out at 10.49 for like 36 cents a share. Real small scalp on this play, but it's what I was able to safely just try to get, try to scalp on this move right here. But what the point of this video is for us to take a look at how well this BPTH has held this 9 EMA. I want you to really look at that. Let's see, can you see it real well here? Let's make this a little bigger. Every single time this stock has dipped down to that 9 EMA, it's bounced off. Dip down, bounced off. Dip down, bounced off hugely. Dip down again, bounced off. Dip, bounce, huge move. This one right here, I thought we had already reached the top because it was looking heavy here on the 9 EMA, but then out of nowhere, it just pushed. The reason I didn't jump in on this push is because this volume, while it did increase from the prior volume, it wasn't as big as the volume at open or at any of these other candles. It just wasn't huge volume. Was it huge volume comparable to the stock's float? Absolutely. The stock is 315,000 float. That's what the float is on this stock. But that volume to me wasn't super convincing. However, shorts got trapped on each touch of the 9 EMA and squeezed higher and higher and higher, all the way up to $14.22, which is the high of day. I'm not sure if you can see it right here. Yeah. So it's just crazy. As soon as we had, this stock, this 9 EMA cross over that VWAP, that purple line there, it's just held at a support. You could have bought each one of these dips to the 9 EMA and sold each bounce and made money on each one, all the way up until now. Obviously on this one here, you could have said to yourself, this tail right here, this upper wick is an indication that we have a lot of selling pressure up here in that $14 area. So the 9 EMA might not hold. Right now, the stock is trading underneath the 9 EMA. Could the 9 EMA now be resistance and push the stock down all the way down to VWAP? Absolutely, it can. But with 315,000 share float the stock has, anything can happen at any point in time. This is why I didn't chase. This is why I didn't chase it in here and here and here on this dip. You could have said, okay, it's going to touch 9 EMA and bounce again. We're going to go to 15 bucks. It's done it every single other time. But at one point or another, this is going to pull back and shorts are going to take over. Is it going to be now? Maybe. Maybe not. We really don't know. This stock is up 174% as I, film this, and it's risky. I would like to see it. It's 12:51 p.m. I would like to see it continue to trade sideways before it pushes up again, tail end of lunch. And I would like to see it close strong, simply because this will spark small caps. And we've seen small caps be a little bit kind of dead in the water early on in the week. So if this could spark small caps, we could see real nice end of week here, Thursday and Friday. So I'm real pumped up and excited for tomorrow and Friday. I only took that one trade on it today, 36 cents a share. Nothing to write home about since I had very small size, but hey, lunch money, right? How did you guys do today? Did you trade BPTH? This is a type of stock that can absolutely, explode your account in the sense of making tons of money, or it can absolutely blow it up and be down tons of money. So trade carefully. This is why we don't chase. This is why we trade carefully and we watch our share size, always concentrating on our risk. Risk is everything when we're trading. Nobody knew this stock was going to make this move today. If anybody told you they knew the stock was going to go to $14 today, they're absolutely lying to you. If they did, they would have put their entire account on it down here and they would have sold it up here. Nobody knew that. If not, if anybody had a crystal ball and knew what a stock was going to do exactly 100%, we'd have our first trillionaire in the world, and we don't have one of those yet. So don't let anybody BS you. Trade safe. Let me know how you did. Put it in the comment section below. What were your entries and exit on BPTH? Remember to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell. I have a new video coming up next week that we're going to add to our playlist for beginner traders. And I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.